Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press the subscribe button that's down below, as well as the bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. I know you guys see that we're literally almost at 10k. Let me not say we're on our road to 10k, and I really want to reach this by the end of this year, which I really think that we can do it by then. So please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. And yeah, I know you guys can already tell that by this title, that's why y'all clicked on it and stuff. And basically this is just going to be an informative video slash review-ish. So yeah, quick point that I wanted to put out there, because I did write some things down because I didn't want to, you know, leave anything out, because like I said, I've been getting like DMs here and there about Forex and stuff, because I have mentioned it on my channel before. So I just wanted to make a video as in a whole, so people can come back and be use this as a reference, or use this as something you can come back to it or watch if you guys don't know anything about, you know, Forex, so you guys don't make the same mistake as I've seen a lot of people have been doing with Forex, which I personally did myself and wasted hella money. But quick disclaimer, Lavish Ruby, or Ruby if you guys want to call her, she did not pay me to make this video. She didn't ask me to make this video. I personally wanted to make this video. I did pay with my own money and everything, because I know a lot of people get kind of iffy if they know, like, you know, people's been paid to make a review or been asked to make a review, which I can totally understand and stuff like that. But like I said, paid with my own money, and yeah, making this, you know, video on my own without anybody asking me to do it. Now, the main reason why I wanted to make this video, because like I said, I've been doing Forex for like almost a year, or probably a year and some few and a change. So I kind of did all the hella mistakes that you can possibly do with Forex, honestly. But I just wanted to make this video because I have mentioned Forex on my channel before, on like, if you guys can go back on my old videos of like videos that I say about different sources of income and stuff, and I'm pretty sure I mentioned Forex before. I'm pretty positive, but I mentioned Forex before and stuff like that, and so people know that I do Forex, and I've also advertised it on my social media before. And I just been getting a lot of questions about it, and I've seen like some hella horror videos of, you know, Forex scamming people and all this extra stuff. And I just wanted to make this video to, you know, be informative and actually, you know, inform you guys to the best of my abilities of basically Forex and, you know, the ins and within that year, like in the middle, we did happen to, you know, we did happen to find IML, or someone that was in IML. I found this girl and, you know, she was just promoting this, like, you know, Forex, and then this lifestyle of Forex and stuff like that. And clearly, who wouldn't be interested in, you know, like having another source of income? So, you know, I decided to join her team, which was my first mistake. So I decided to join her team and stuff, and then later I found out that it was IML. I did do a lot of research on IML, and most of them were pretty bad, honestly. So I think they changed their names over the years, but overall, IML, if you hear anybody saying join my team, or I don't know how to explain it, join my team, come copy and paste trades, like anything like that, or people talking about like P150, P1000 and stuff like that, I would say stay away from those people, honestly, because those people are, you know, in an organization. In an organization and Forex are two different things. Like IML and stuff, which is something that I went into, and, you know, I paid my own money and stuff, basically wasted money on IML. I think we did it for, me and my sister, we did it for like 3 months, 3 or 4 months roughly, and clearly it was $225 for you to get in, and every month you would have to pay a $165, which is hella money. And throughout that 3 to 4 months, literally, I did not learn anything. I learned a few things here and there, but I didn't really learn anything, and I literally felt like I was just wasting money, and like I was wasting money and I wasn't learning anything, and I was getting pressured by, you know, the other people around to, you know, recruit people. Like, you know, they were all about the team building, but they weren't in the aspect of, you know, they weren't in the aspect of, you know, actually learning how to trade, if that makes sense. Now, don't get me wrong, there are people that are affiliated with IML that actually do trade and, you know, trade and stuff like that, and that actually focus on the aspect of trading. And then there's also, if you find those people, that's good. That's not a bad thing. But most of the time, like 9 out of 10, honestly, most of them that are in IML, they are trying to make you recruit people so they can get into higher ranking. And honestly, when you meet those people, to be honest with you, they don't really see your best interest. They just see you as another person to, you know, keep getting higher and higher into their ranking. So keep that in mind when you guys hear anybody saying come join my team and it has something to relate to IML or like any type of organization, because it's not just IML out there. I've seen a lot of different, you know, organizations. So IML and Forex are two different things, because I seen a video that said Forex scam me, and basically she was going on about a video of how she basically joined IML or an organization that's similar to that, and basically that's what scammed her out of that money. So technically she should rephrase it and say that an organization scam her and not Forex, because Forex can't possibly scam you. Yes, you can lose your money from it, but it can't possibly scam you, because that's a whole separate thing from, you know, organization and stuff. So never mix the two together. Like, that's why Forex has such a bad name, because of you know, because of the organization and then the rankings and stuff like that. Now to come to how I found Ruby, and I think I mentioned how I found her, but how I found Ruby and then how I joined her, you know, Forex mentorship. Like I'm not sure if I said this, but I've been following Ruby for like over a year probably, and I've seen her, I think she joined IML, believe it, I think she did, I'm not sure, but in the past few months I've been seeing her, you know, doing Forex and stuff, and I seen that she actually started her own mentorship. So I'm just like, okay. So I sat there and I seen how it was going and stuff, because I didn't want to blindly go into, you know, paying someone again, because clearly I don't want to go back to the organization to, you know, keep wasting my money. So I waited on it and stuff like that. And honestly, after a while, I'm just like, I seen results and stuff, so I wanted to join. So I paid for it and everything. And basically, honestly, guys, it's been the best 200 bucks I ever spent. Honestly, I literally bought it on like Thursday, and throughout that weekend I literally went through the whole like section. She literally makes Forex so easy, and her things literally say become a Forex trader in like a month. If you're really dedicated and you actually want to learn, this is the thing for you. Like, first off, she's like Black owned business type thing, so that's even a plus. But she's literally not scamming you guys into, you know, recruiting people or anything. She literally wants you to learn. Like, yes, she does offer, like, you know, signals here and there and stuff like that, but honestly, you guys should really just use that for, you know, if you guys didn't reach your goal one day or stuff like that. But honestly, you won't really even need to use her signals, because you guys are actually are gonna know how to trade. And literally, my first time trading live, I did over like 1,200 pips. If I have the screenshot, I will put it somewhere up there so you guys can see if you guys would like. But literally by myself, and it was trades that I actually you know, like trade up setups that I actually did by myself. And if you're not a Forex trader and you don't know what pips are, I'm not sure how to explain it to you, but pips is something that's used in Forex, and I literally did over 1,200 pips in from my own trades. And it was crazy to me, because I literally just bought her thing like 3 days ago, and literally I was able to, you know, come up with my own trade ideas and stuff, which like blew my mind. That's really why I really wanted to do this video, because you actually learn. Like, that was my whole thing about it, and I'm pretty sure that's what most people want when they, you know, join Forex groups. They want to learn how to trade. And you know, yeah, they just want to learn how to trade. And most of these big organizations, that's not what they do, or they focus too much on recruiting people. Like I said, she doesn't have anything that has to do with recruiting people or anything. Literally, you just learn how to trade. And yes, she sends trades to you occasionally, and she literally breaks down everything. Like, she breaks it down so easy. Like me, I'm not saying that I'm slow or anything, but I am like, she break it down like to like a kindergarten level, to the point where you actually understand everything. You understand everything. And if, for instance, you don't understand something, you can just go in the chat. That's another thing where I really like the chats. The people, like, they're so, I don't know how to explain it. They're so helpful, and everyone in there is very helpful and stuff like that, which I really like. Honestly, it will take you that month to learn Forex, but you would probably want to keep paying the $50 every month just to be in that group, because they actually help you. They encourage you and stuff like that. They send out trade ideas. Like, for instance, if something is going for a sale, they'll be like, oh, you guys keep a lookout for X, Y, and Z, because they're going for a sale, which is very helpful as well. Like, they're really helpful. Like, you would pay the $50 every month just so you guys can stay in the group and stuff. That's how good their chat is and stuff, which is really nice. But overall, like I said, it's been the best $200 that I ever spent. Like, I don't regret it at all, because I'm actually gaining a skill that, you know, I can use later on in life. Now, overall, yes, I'm raving about like her stuff and stuff like that. Yes, it's really good. You learn. If you're actually trying to learn, I would highly recommend, you know, her stuff, because honestly, I wouldn't really like even promote Forex like that anymore after I left IML. After I've seen how it is, I kind of stopped promoting it. But like, after I joined her stuff, because I'm like, after her, I'm not joining anything else. And honestly, you won't need to join anything else after you join her program, because you will literally already know how to trade. So you won't need to, you know, keep buying other courses to learn how to trade Forex. Now, overall, like I'm saying, Forex is something where you can actually learn by yourself. I've seen a lot of people that have done Forex and they just learn from YouTube. You can learn from YouTube, or I don't know, or you can learn from YouTube. Honestly, there's so much information out there and so much videos that actually just show you how to trade. Yes, it is going to take you longer, and you might take more losses than, oh my god, I'm so nasty, sorry, but you might take more losses than you should. A course, when you guys take a course into Forex, it's literally supposed to just stop you from making all the mistakes that you could have avoided if you didn't buy a course, if that makes sense. So you don't necessarily need the course, but if you guys actually want to learn and ask questions and all this extra stuff, then yes, I would highly suggest a course. But like I said, Forex is free. It's a free thing. Like, you can literally do it for free. You don't need no group, you don't need no organization, you don't have to pay anybody. The only thing that you have to pay is when you're putting money in and you're about to start trading. That's honestly it. But literally, Forex can honestly change your life. And I've watched hella videos where people turn like a 500 account to like 5,000 in like a week and stuff like that, which they do crazy stuff. But literally, I would highly suggest everybody to do Forex, because it can literally change like your life and change your perspective on money. It's literally making money work for you, if that makes sense. But like I said, Forex is free. Don't stop getting scammed by those people that keep saying, oh, join my group, all you need is $225 and all this extra shit. And honestly, hers is mad cheap, because like I told you guys, I did pay like $225 for IML, and every month I was paying $165. Yeah, I think it was $165. And hers, you pay $200 up front, I believe. Yeah, $200 up front, and then every month it's $50, which is mad cheap, honestly. And after you start, you know, actually learning how to trade, that $50 will literally not mean anything to you. And honestly, you might not even need to keep spending the $50, like I said, because you within that month that you bought it for the 200, you'll already learn how to trade. And honestly, you would only keep paying the $50 just to be part of the community and get like the few trades and stuff that she sends out. But overall, like I said, best money I ever spent. Like, I'm very grateful to her because she actually sat there and took her time to actually teach people how to trade. And I really like that. Like, trading is like a skill that this is something that you're always gonna have, and like I said, that's another like source of income. But let me know in the comments if you guys have been part of these IML groups, or if you guys even already, you know, are in Ruby's group and stuff like that. But overall, I'm gonna leave her information down below. Like I said, she's a Black-owned business. She does other things as well, but if you guys are more so in the Forex thing, I'll link her stuff down below if I could find it. I'll link her information down below if you guys want to check her out, or if you guys even want to just follow her to, you know, make sure this is something that you actually want to spend money on. Never go off by what someone says. Yes, you can, but honestly, I would recommend, you know, you do your own research before spending your money. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share with people that are in Forex. Share with your friends, families, and stuff like that, because like I said, this video is meant to be informative. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.